If you want to get rid of teenage pimple and acne like me, this video is for you. If you use this mask correctly, you will see results very quickly. Let's start. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is an antioxidant. Half a teaspoon of lemon. Vitamin C in lemon juice is very useful for preventing skin diseases. A spoonful of honey. From time immemorial, honey has been used for the beauty and health of the skin and has achieved good results. Best part. Mix time. 20 seconds is enough. Thank you for giving me energy by liking. This mask is very easy to make, but it has very important tips that I will tell you in the video. You can also use cotton to use the mask. Apply the mask with gentle strokes on your face. Please take care of your beautiful eyes. This mask is natural and healthier. You can use this mask twice a week. With one click you can help me a lot. Please like the video. Excellent. Now wait 10 minutes, then wash your face with water. Let's go to see the feeling after use. Your skin will be much fresher and softer after using this mask. If you have an allergy to the mask, do not worry. Just wash your face. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. We are human with any race.